School subject. I know it's been a while since my last upload. I was busy horse racing. But I'm back now. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some school subject that I learned and my opinion on them. I also will do a ranking on them. The best, the worst. I'ma do like S as a is easy. A as a okay, pretty decent. B as a fine. And C as a man, this subject is trash. Probably there will be a D. Yeah, D will just be a throw it. And that is the ranking. Let's start. Well, before we start, I got something to mention. I'm not from high school. I'm not on high school at all. I'm from vocational school. It's basically a school, but you based on experience and talent. Because I don't want to go to college. I can just get to work after I finish vocational school. So yeah, I'm not on high school. I'm on vocational school just to make things right. Now, physical education. When I was on elementary school, my leg and my arm was so weak. I cannot even kick a ball very hard. I'm too weak. I cannot sprint. I cannot sprint very fast like my friends, so I never tag someone in a tagging game. Shit was sad. Even when I play like volleyball, my hands are too weak to do some service, spiking. I can't even jump high as a wall. I was short back then. I was very short. My life in elementary school was sad as hell. It was depressing. It was depressing. But when I moved to junior high, something changed. I can kick a ball. I can do dribbling. I can finally do something in volleyball. There was a PE lesson where I need to run like 2 kilometers. And once I got back, after running very far, we were a group. When we were a group, we almost sprint. It's like a race based on your speed and your stamina. Determine your rank and determine your point. So when I returned to the school field, I was already lying on the ground. My head was dizzy. I was feeling like I was about to puke. I cannot even drink water. My body was like, nah, I'm not taking any water. It was insane. That was one of the toughest sprint I ever had. Now, on vocational school, like I said, something changed. I finally joined some competition like a race. Volleyball, football, yeah, I joined those. Yeah, I did not win. The other class was just stronger. My hands still hurt trying to block their smash. It's a phantom pain. But at least I can finally do something. Now, my opinion on PE, physical education, is probably one of the best lesson, one of the best subject. Who want to go inside the class and just wire the long question and long answer just for a few score? Who want to stay on the class hearing the teacher? Nah, we going outside the field and we're going to do something. You can kick the ball, you can shoot the ball, you can pass the ball, you can run, sprint, you just move. Who doesn't like PE? This is a easy S tier. One of the best subject on school. Next we got the social studies. Now, my opinion on this. What the hell is inside social study? Like, I remember there was like science, there was like math, there was like history inside social studies. I don't even know. What is it even about? Does it teach me about friendship or something? I never remember like 5 steps how to gain a friend. Or like, this is why your friend leave you alone every time you have a struggle. Or maybe like, why are you always alone? No, I never learned that. What I remember was a history about the first comer from the European to my country. That's all I remember. Then there also the trading system. Yeah, I think trading system really makes sense to the social studies. About the market, the thing. Which isn't like that math. Isn't like business thing is a math. There was literally number. What do you want me to do here? What social study do I learn? Do I learn how to start a business with just counting? It's Isn't that like math? I don't understand. But I like this better than science. That's all I'm saying. So social studies, I'm giving a what? A tier. Maybe just my school that have the problem. But I really don't learn any social thing in mine. Anyways, moving on to the next. Now, English lesson. You guys can probably tell from my accent, I'm not a native English speaker. I wasn't born in a country with a English speaking as a native. But, let's be honest, English is very important. It's a global language. Like, you probably need to learn that to speak globally. There's no way I'm going to Japan, like what, speak Vietnamese or something? It doesn't work like that. So you must learn English to able to speak with them. So and they must learn English to speak with you. Because Japanese is hard to learn. Let's be honest though, the English teacher barely come to class. Either she got pregnant or like she not coming with no reason at all. That's my teacher. Because the teacher barely come to class. Like I got low score on my English. Like I remember I got a C on English. I got a C because the teacher barely came to class. Like I barely got any word, which means no score. With no score mean like no point. No point mean like no high score. With no high score mean like low score on your report card. So like I got a C on English. Damn. But overall English a very important one. Is a S class. Is a S tier. Is a must. Like everyone need to learn English. So like. And it's very easy because I'm not a native English speaker. And the basic is just like, greeting, my name is Dad. I live in there. My hobby is jiggle someone balls. So yeah, English I'm giving a S tier. Damn, science. When we were talking about the social study, I told you guys like I like social study better than the science. Because I'm not a big science fan. I know what to say, like, there's counting in science, there are like so many memorizing epsilon, then like, who got the photosynthesis, then the element. I'm not good at science at all. But doing some replica on a class, that a good job, like we gonna teamwork just to make something. Then the group was the homies, man, we gonna make a nuclear bomb with this. But my opinion on science, I think it's a very important lesson. Like we reached Earth to the moon with science and math. So science is very important. Like we cannot reach this far. We start up as a rock and a stick to a digital iPad and something else. With just science, we came from finding fire to discovering a digital AI, ChatGPT. With science. So science I'm giving S. There is a needed but it's not easy. It's needed but it's not easy. History. I do like history. I like learning about the war, like World War I and World War II. And I think history is very important as we won't repeat our same mistake as in the past. One bullet start up two wars, the World War I and the World War II. But the history I learned on vocational school, yes, I only learned history in vocational school because elementary and junior high there was no history. In vocational school, what I learned was caveman. It was just caveman. Literally, it was just caveman. All I learned, and the older kingdom in my country. That's all I learned from history. So history important, but my class, in my school, all I learned was just caveman stuff. I'm giving history a A tier. Last we got math. So I mentioned about math before, like I was a slow counter. And I am a slow counter. It took like 2 hours to solve one math. It took like 2 hours for me to solve one math problem. But I know the way how to do it. I'm just a slow counter. So like I got a job done. The job probably just turned to a homework for me to do it at home. But wait. My math teacher in vocational school is very good. I got to say that. When I was on elementary and junior high, I don't understand any single math. But when I reach vocational school, I start getting back on my feet. I'm back on my feet because of the teacher. She's a really good one. I understand every puzzle that she mean and the placement. The puzzle pieces is coming. I understand the math. So my view on math, I think it's also important as a science. Science is almost like a math. Yeah, there is a number on science. So I'm placing math on S tier too, beside science. Yeah, science will be on S tier with math. Anyways, that is all that I wanted to write today on this video. It's a 10-minute video. My video usually like 5 minutes. I'm finally making progress with this channel. Well, see you guys on the next video. I will try not to make it long. 1 minute, but long, I mean like the delay, not 2 weeks, probably like, yeah, honestly, you're gonna strike 2 weeks. So stay tuned. To the outro. Stand still, eye closed, let the world just pass me by. Pain pill, nice clothes, if I fall I take a fly. Touch me, Midas, make me part of your design. None to Gaius, I feel fear for the very last time. Lay still, restless, losing sleep while I lose my mind. Oh thrill, no stress, all my muscle left behind. World is below, so high up, I'm near the bind. Lean in, let go, I feel fear for the very last time.